Alright, I'm Adrian Balwant, the owner of AJ Wrecking Service. I'm 21 years old. Well, I just do mechanic jobs and things, but I'm not really mechanic to say. I just take jobs every day and things, you know. Well, when I was 5 years old, I went to the mall with my father. He had me on the back, and it had these cars, and I was like watching them and thing, and I get to like them and thing, like real plenty. He put me sit down in a car like this, and the man was like revving the car and thing, and I just laughing and giggling. We don't know what to do. No, the adrenaline, hearing the engine revving and thing, and well, I get to like them from there. I started draw them. I started going in the mall. I just buying cars, toys, Hot Wheels by the tons, and basically that is how I really get into it. Going car shows and thing now and then, and well, I was more into music. Now I get introduced to the drifting and thing. So like seeing how it does be like. It's not like drags or just hire a car on spot, play music and things like that. Have like a skill you have to put into the driving to hold it down, make sure you end up in nobody gallery and thing. Nobody yard, nobody house, don't bounce nobody. It's that kind of skill you have to build. So I get to like that by seeing that, getting little experience in it. So I decided to build a few cars. After I build a few cars, I come and I sell them. Then I recently end up with this machine here. Give me a little headache 2-3 times in the beginning, but I end up getting through. And well, the car is a one of a kind. I don't think it have any other Bluebird in Trinidad with a QG18 turbo and gearbox. So basically, it's a stock engine. The engine have no aftermarket head gasket and thing, so not like that. Like the only thing we do basically is just turn the manifold upside down, bolt the turbo as a top mount turbo. It's a stock Garrett T25 unit. The intake, we just cut the shutter body part out from in the back, put it in front. So we won't have to run an extra piece of intercooler piping going around to the back because it can't work. We gotta cut the firewall and things. So we didn't do that. We do it the proper way. Stock injectors, coil packs, everything stock pistons, the whole thing stock. The gearbox, we take out the bell housing from a rocket box, put a QG gearbox bell housing, but we had to cut and weld it, machine it for it to bolt direct on the QG. And well, yeah, straight drive shaft, 720 back in. We didn't get a chance yet to put in the disc brakes in the back. We were supposed to do that, but we didn't get a chance to do that yet. Is I will love this. And well, original shock and springs on cut spring right now. Money tight to upgrade to coilovers, so we had to run on cut spring. Have a grady front mount intercooler, 2-inch intercooler piping. Currently have no blower valve, so we're running on turbo flutter right now. No man they said how damage the turbo and thing what. Yeah, well, me have no spot right now. The place kind of tight inside it to put a blower valve right now because everything fit up so snug. We can't really do that until I figure out something and how I could fabricate to make it work and thing. And well, when I get the car with the engine and gearbox, right? But how the setup was done, it wasn't done really like professional in a way, too wholesome. It wasn't too wholesome. It's a breakdown, sometimes this part breaking, that part breaking. So I had to like scrap down everything and do it over. But now, well, me and my boy Imran Khan from Grease Monkey Auto Garage in Tableland, me and he had to come and take out everything, fabricate back new brackets and mounts and thing, put it in back, straighten the engine because the compressor, AC compressor pulley was touching on the chassis of the car. So we had to fix up all them little things here and there. The car was getting a kind of idling problem. It's the idle up and idle down. Sometimes when you rev the exit cutting off, hard starting. And well, that was our basic problem. That was just like an airflow problem, so we get our sort out. And next problem I had was the harness. The pass the harness bad to begin with. The harness, the engine harness, between the exhaust manifold and the turbo downpipe. So like that heat was kind of squashing the harness together, and all the wires kind of melt up, and 2-3 wires get joined up together and thing, and the car had a malfunction. It burned up the brain box. The brain box was in the engine room. They didn't cut the firewall and make a hole or something to put the brain box inside. Scanning port and the relay to power up the brain box and all was in the engine room there. It wasn't secure to say, like if your engine washing or you're wiping and some water go on it, it go spoil, it go start to get trouble. So all that we had to see about. The oil feed line for the turbo, all that was kind of, they had that run bad. They run the line on top the engine. So it's the rub, it was rubbing on the engine until it cut the line. I had to change that line. After that, the brass weld and nipple for it to bolt on the turbo, that was on the turbine housing itself. So that was kind of bent, so it was leaking. But I didn't notice it was leaking until, well, yesterday. I realized it was leaking and I fixed it, I sorted it out. So yeah. And right about now, she working fine. No issues so far. Car is, well, it's my daily vehicle. I just go anywhere with this. The suspension in front is stock suspension. And well, as I said, the back is 720 with a 4.6 ratio guts. Aftermarket axles. And well, yeah, the disc brakes, I ain't got to install the disc brakes yet. The exhaust is a 3-inch exhaust, front to back straight. No silencer, nothing on that. I have a Bosch 044 fuel pump, internal though. Yeah, I now have no fuel regulator. I have to upgrade and get a fuel regulator because the one on the fuel rail, that one I work in 200, so now and then you go feel like the car dumping fuel, but I don't know, like sometimes it leaning, sometimes it dumping. The regulator on the fuel rail and all for the return, the pong that one in and lock off that one, blank off that, so that have no regulator right now to regulate the fuel that going back. But so far it never gave me any issues or anything, but I had to fix that because later down in the future it will give me some problems. Yeah. Right, I want to shout out Forge Pistons for giving me this best opportunity, this experience to feature my car and well, my garage. I want to shout out to my boy Imran Khan from Grease Monkey Auto Garage in Tableland. Well, he basically do all the mechanic work on the car and everything. So a big shout out to he. Shout out to my wife for all the support and the help she just give me. And that's it. Mà bỏ tóm hoặc tên tôi là bây giờ đã xịt nó cà rê la rồi nè. I do not damn my back porn. Tell me thinking boy, make an spin boy or stop boy. Again all way. I had to drink some cokes to get that memory back, yes. That's all.